Hello all, we are down to the wire. We're about to start the women's only workout classes for women by women. We have some of the most phenomenal trainers. Have you seen their bios? We are very blessed to have them. Well, what I wanted to say is, with the banner that we had, a lot of people can get intimidated. Oh, she looks beautiful. Well, I'm be the first one to tell you that it's not my goal to get skinny. I don't want to be skinny. I don't need the thigh gap. What I want, my personal goals, I want to get rid of these wings that I have. I can't fly anywhere, so I might as well get rid of them. And I want my waist to be a little bit more easy to hug, because when my babies and my man come to me, I just want them just to grab it all up and just enjoy it. But those are my personal goals. So whatever your goal is, whether you're pregnant and just need to get strengthen your ab muscles, if you are stressed and you need to de-stress with the yoga classes, if you just want to have a lot of fun and even talk to friends, you can't go wrong with Funky Fit or the boot camp. So check out the page and come in. It's free for an entire month. That's the best price in town. I mean, where can you find that at? So I hope to see you there, and definitely share it with someone.